Hello, everyone. I am back after 2 weeks, 2 long weeks of not being on here. Um, Hello, everyone. I am Renerac, TV guy. You know the deal. Um, so we are back. We are so back. What happened? Firstly, I hope everyone had a good Friday. I didn't, but I hope you guys had one. So yeah, why no stream last week? Mystery. Actually, not a mystery. I'm gonna explain it to you right now. So usually I stream on Fridays, right? Well, last Friday it was my friend's birthday party, so I had to go there, right? It's an obligation. So I went there, did the party, and then came back home really late, so no stream there. But you're gonna say, well, why didn't you stream on Saturday? Well, Saturday I had university like open doors visit. Um and I want to go to this university, so I went there, looked around. It was pretty cool. Yeah, so I was there all day, and it's 2 hours and a half from where I am, so yeah, I was like really burned out when I came back from there. But then you're gonna say, well, why didn't you stream on Sunday then? Sunday was for my physical education class. In we had this we have this big like event where like it counts for like 20% of the semester, and we have to do like one of three activities. Or you do hiking, like a 20 kilometers hike, or you do 10, 10 kilometers of running straight, no pause, or you do the tiny triathlon, which I did. So it consists of 300 meters of swimming. Um, After that, you do 10 kilometers of a bike, and after that, 5 kilometers of running. And so you must understand that after all of that, I was also burned out. I couldn't do anything. So yeah, and I don't stream in the week, so that's what happened. That's why I was absent for one more week. Aside from that, nothing much happened. I worked a bit on the video game since last time, and we're gonna see that later. But also, my keyboard, my split corn keyboard broke. The plug on the microcontroller just like fell off. So I had to like solder, like unsolder it, and it was a mess. I didn't use headers when I built it. So I had to unsolder it from the PCB directly. It's a mess. So now I have a keyboard without a brain, and I ordered the brains, and it just came today, as a matter of fact. So I will repair this like Sunday, I guess, when I have time. So that happened. And yeah, also, friends, a friend, a friend of Jake Creates Stuff came to me. She was asking about how to do multiplayer games in Godot, and because she wanted to do a fun gizmo for her stream. And honestly, I never made uh, any multiplayer games in Godot, and so I was like, I said I could help, but I don't I won't promise anything. Yeah, so I feel bad because I think I said to her I would like look into it, but I haven't had time yet to look into that. So maybe later in the stream we'll start looking at how to make dedicated servers in Godot. So maybe that will be interesting. So, video game. What's going on? Let's open Godot and close this guy. Okay, we are in the Godot. Hold on. Okay. Uh, just wait for me 2 seconds as I update. I have to pull from GitHub because this I worked a bit on it today. Wait for me 2 seconds. Where is it? Desktop, go to, okay, there it is. Now we go into Git. Okay, Sing Ching, yes, do it. Okay, go to open. Thank you. And now, will it detect it? Yes, it did. Okay, we're back. So what did I do since last time? So, I think I did two things. Firstly, I reorganized the way I spawn the pads, like so the boost pad and the slow pads on the terrain. So basically, I created a grid script which I put on the pads. So it creates a grid, and in spawn pads here, it goes through each cell in the grid, and there's a certain probability, 99%, like basically 1% chance of spawning a um yeah, a pad. And there's a limit of a boost pad, and also they can't spawn over each other and near each other. So grid system was done. Also, I created the leaderboard. So yeah, it's basically a leaderboard. So you can say it saves automatically to your computer. And there's also, wait, let me show it to you guys. So in result screen, when you do a new I-score, it shows you this. And basically you choose the three characters that represent you. So yeah, that's what I did since, oh god, last stream. Oh, maybe I did more than that. No. No, yeah, that's all I did. So, what are we working on today, right? Today is the important day. Well, let's see that. On the backlog, I mean, in the Kanban, we can see today I planned on working on this thing. So basically for the project we have some criteria that we need to have in our game. So in this case, we have to do um, implement some kind of energy or health bar, or an equivalent. So what I will do is that I will. I was gonna. So my idea is that uh the post has some kind of health, like a maximum distance between before it lose all of its butter. So what happens is you throw the toast, and its butter trail gets narrower and narrower, and when it doesn't have any more butter, so after a certain distance, it will start to slow down like really fast. This is the plan. Why is it laggy? Is it just me or is it laggy? Oh, okay, it's just me. So that's the plan, right? Okay, see, it's when I select another window that it starts lagging. Okay, so a bit of a sip. Also, I started working on after yesterday. I started working on a new command for the Joel bot, which is going to be Joel stats. And what that's going to do is it's going to display some basic stats of someone who does the command. So the total count, the first Joel said in which stream he did the most Joels, and like the the streamer at which it did the most Joels. So you'll see when it's ready. Probably like it's gonna be done this weekend. Maybe. We'll see. So this is our toast. Okay. So we have to do two things. We have to calculate the distance the toast has made since it started, since I threw it. And then I need to make the path go narrower the further it goes. So let's trail TSCN. Okay. Well, this guy, right? We can see that the trail looks like this, right? So it has a width. But it's like it's global, right? But we can do a width curve. It seems like it. Border fill. Okay. So if we do a width curve, new curve. So, right. Okay. But then it will work. Point resource. So what this will do is imagine we do, okay, this. Right? And then I decide to add a new point to the line. Right? Look, it makes the others go narrower, but we don't want that. So, the thing we have to do, how do we do it? So if we delete this, so the a method we could like it would be cool if we could control each segment, right? Like and how like its width, its color, and everything else. So fill, gradient, texture, no, border, we don't care. Really, it's the width curve. Okay, it could be like that. Max value, bake, what's that? Bake resolution, I don't care. Points. Okay. Linear. Linear. So yeah, this, I mean, I guess it could work, but it's gonna, like it's, so yeah, no, it's ugly. So I was, segment, how do we do this? Hmm. This is a good one. I actually don't know what to do. Um, because so this is a curve from the start to the end, right? But that's not really what I want. It's each segment I want to decide its width, but I don't seem to be able to do that. Um, so how do I do it? So I have like one idea for now. So the idea would be that we reorganize how we work with the trails. So instead of being one line 2D, it would be like the parent would be a 2D node, and it has a script, right? And yeah, I think that's gonna be it. I don't really have a choice, I guess. So the yeah, so like I said, the trail would have a Node 2D parent, which has a script. Hello, Morse Amalgam. Welcome. This is your first time here. Um, do you want a bit of a tour of uh how my character works? Because I think you were interested maybe a bit in that. But yeah, welcome here. Welcome to something. I don't know. Hello, name that your name says something to me. It's not your first time here, right? Yeah, I'll show you. Just give me 2 seconds. I have to open it. Go to 4.2.2. We open face tracker. Uh, face tracker. Right. Okay. Here we are. So yeah, welcome to something. That's the energy right now. We'll see where we are later. So this is the guy, right? You recognize the guy. So, this is, the script you're gonna see is ugly, really ugly, but we don't judge, right? Yeah, you've seen the TV on TV. So, I have basically two main scripts. If I have, oh god, this is such a mess. Where is stuff? TV movement, and yeah, okay, they're all there. Okay, so this one. So this is the parent script, right? Oh, don't look. Oh, I'm gonna like. I'm burping. It's ugly. So basically, I receive position of my head from Python script through the EDP socket, right? I receive um stuff. I receive stuff. Wait, no. This is not the UDP socket. This is okay. So backend of the stream is controlled by a WebSocket, right? So it links everything from the chat to the music thing to Goda to my character and anything connected via WebSocket. So this receives packets from the WebSocket, and basically that's how I that's how I freeze my head like this. I can reset it. I can unfreeze myself. I can zoom myself. So I can control with a terminal thing I did. I can be a rainbow guy, right? I can be I can be a white. So yeah, I can control stuff from there. So this is pretty cool. Um, oh yeah, and if you say Joel, it's there's gonna be a fish. It's gonna be fish jumping out of the water behind me. So this is pretty fun. Um, so this is pretty much the back end. And after that, I have a script for my head part of the script. So this is the script that receives, like you see, data of my face through the EDP socket. So again, this is ugly. We don't really look at that. Bind the thing. Um, so I keep basic position of my face for when I want my face to reset like that. So it's like static. Like that. Okay. 2D water meta? No, it's not pre-made. Like it's basically I simulated springs, if you will. I'll show you after. And my water is composed of springs, believe it or not. So this is so I received basically 14 points from face mesh, and I do some calculations to get where stuff is. So maybe you can look a bit at it without like looking at it too long. So delta opening. So at like what is the space between the top and the bottom of my eyelids? Basically, I calculate that here, and after that, I wait, right eye scale. Yeah. So basically, I close my eyes if the detect it's like within a certain limit, if you will. It's not an exact science. Left eye, yeah, right. So basically here I detect if my eyes are going sideways like this. So yeah, I calculate that. I move the eyes with this data basically. Yeah, and after that, like I don't know, this is the rainbow thing. So it's pretty simple, like I said on the other day on your stream, because I don't have body, so I don't have to calculate any of that. I just calculate like if my head is tinted from front to back, left to right, and then I just see if my eyes are closed or not. That's it. And I track them sideways. Like that's it. But your model, like in your case, you can track like eyes going left to right, right? That this could be simple. And you said that you had problems dealing with eyes closing because of glasses, right? Well, I don't have a solution for that. I'm sorry. But yeah, moving the head is simple, I guess, and maybe to move the body with the head, you could use some kind of joint 2D. I never use those, but I know they exist. Yeah, better guys get laser surgery. I don't know. So, is this the water? Wait, no, it's not. What? Okay, water wrap. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, so this is the water. I can move it. Wait, can you see the thing? Maybe you can. Oh, okay. Well, so yeah, that you can see right here is water. You don't tell me you can't. I see it in my imagination. So yeah, it's all in the script. So let's look a bit at that. This might be ugly to you. Oh god. Okay. Yeah. So the worst thing, the thing that I have the most problem with the water composed of springs is actually smoothing the wave, so it's not just like spikes, you know. Because I just do a line between all the springs to create like the top line of the water. And then I have to do some smoothing with splines, I think. Yeah, get spline, get point. I had to look that up on the web because I'm not big in math. Math is not my big thing. So yeah, I have to smooth the thing myself. Yes, I could. There's some things I could like polish, but it works. And when it works, you don't touch it. Yeah, and I have some parameters export. I don't see them. For some reason there are. So yeah, I can adjust how much the water influences like nearby springs or and stuff. Splines are definitely one of those things that I get how they work enough to use them, but couldn't even try to explain it. Yeah, splines. I don't know. I don't really know what they are, but if I guess right, it's some. It's like if you used like you create points between points, and then I don't know. I honestly I don't know. Joel panic? You're panicking? This- it doesn't count in the Joels that activate the pool. There's some activated, but there's a list. There's a concrete list. Yeah, interpolation stuff. Yeah, yeah. So I'm the Joel guy. I think I talked to you about that. I make Joelbot. So yeah, exactly. Joel commands. So those are all commands you can do. So Joel top shows you the top 5 people uh, who said the Joel the most number of time. Can do Joel top channel to get the channel in which Joel was said the most. You can it's not there. Anyway, you can get the number of Joel that was said on the current stream, etc. We also have wait, so let me close that because we won't need it. Okay, no, okay. We have wait, OBS, help me. Web, we have web. So we have a web version to see on visual, right? So a list and then channels, and you get if you click on my channel, let's say, you can see a graph of how much people said Joel. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, web version 2. So let me close that, and we're gonna go back to actual thing. Okay, what did you Joel? Yeah. So what I was doing before you arrived and totally like disturbed me. I don't know what to do. I know what to do. Okay. So what we were doing is for my curling game. I don't know if you have knowledge of me doing game. So I'll show you what it is. So this is Yes No Toaster, the game. It's a curling game where you throw toasts at like yes, you will understand. Oh god. Okay. Please disappear. Okay. No, main menu, play. Okay. So here is the game, right? So you have a toaster. It's a 1v1 game. And on the field you have jam and butter. Butter makes you go fast and jam makes you go not fast. So you can choose the direction in which you're going to throw the toast. So like that. And then you have a power gauge. So from 0 to 100%, right? So I'm gonna say 32%. So now it goes fast. Woo! We have some kind of Dance Dance Revolution, Guitar Hero kind of a mini game. And so you saw I missed 2 of the QuickTime events, right? So I have a 2% incidency on the power output I will have. So now I can have from 40% to 44% output. So that's if you get good at the mini game, you can get good at the real game, because if you always miss all the quick time events, you never know how much power you're gonna with how much power you're gonna throw the toast, right? So after all that, you can throw the toast and it leaves a butter trail behind it, right? Because it glides on butter. Logic, right? And yeah, that's the game. I'm doing this for a game making class, and we had an imposed team, and it was toast somehow. So that's why, if you're asking yourself, why is it toast in a freaking curling game? What the hell is happening here? Well, it's not my fault. I had to. So yeah. So now I have to, as a part of the criteria for having good points on this work that I have to do, I have to implement some kind of energy or life-based mechanic. So it can be like a health bar, but since toast and curling and toast you don't have health, I'm gonna use the butter, right? And so I'm gonna make the trail of butter go smaller and smaller the further the toast goes. And so when it has no more butter, it's gonna start going slower, like really fast. And we're gonna decide the distance later. So my problem right now, the real problem, what am I doing right now, right? So I have the trail scene, right? And if, let's say I put some points on there, right? This is the butter trail. And I wanted to go like narrower the further it goes, right? I have to do a width curve, right? Seems logic. But if I do that, as you can see, it works, right? But not really, because if like I make another point, it just like change the width of the previous, like the points before it. But I don't really want that. I don't want my butter trail to go larger if I go further, right? I don't know if you follow me, but this is not what I want. So the first solution I thought of right before you came is I would have a parent of trail, which is going to be a basic Node 2D with a script, and I'm gonna just gonna instead of you adding like points to this line 2D, I'm just gonna create a bunch of line 2D and modify the width of the line 2D. Yeah, exactly. It's it's across the whole length. So, but that's not what I want. That's the thing. So I have to do some redneck shit, which is making a, I don't know what it is, fucking a trail manager. I'm gonna create a line 2D each time I create a new point, basically, to modify the width. If you have another idea, more a better idea, please tell me. I just don't know. Is there like another node I could use that could fix this? Line 2D, that's what I have. But it can like recast, no, that's dumb. World, no. No. Maybe Polygon? Yeah, that's gonna be a mess. No, 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 no. Recast Path 2D. Can we contains Pathfall? Oh, no, that's doesn't have anything to do with it. Yeah, I just don't know. So that's what I'm gonna start with. I did something kind of similar at one point, keeping like 10 points in the trail at all times and just updating the points. Yeah, but if I do that, like, if you, I'm just gonna still gonna have the problem of the width curve where it changes the width of the curve depending on how far the next point is, which is not what I want. And 10 points is really not enough with how much I update the trail. So if we see here, update trail, I create a new point if it's more than 5 pixels. God. So yeah, 5 pixels is really not big. But yeah. So you see, I don't think that's what I want, right? So trails. I'm gonna go forward with my idea, I guess, and we'll see where it leads me. So default color. Hmm. Points with. Okay. Let's get into it. So we add a node 2D. We make scene root. We call it trail. We add script. Okay, code scripts trail.gd. Thank you. Create. Okay, we're there. Um, export var trail color. It's a color. Thank you. And we're gonna copy. Can I copy value? Thank you. Thank you. And paste there. Thank you. Okay. This is done. Now, how do I work with the width? So I could have. Okay, I have an idea. Let me cook. So the width variable is kept inside the trail, right? And when I have width being at like near 0, I send a signal to the toast that corresponds to this trail. And I just say, hey, you're out of butter. So, uh, hmm. Export var. This is going to be um total distance, and it's going to be a float. So this is going to be the distance. So it's going to start at 0, and the distance it has before, it has no butter. This is that. And I'm also gonna have export var um start all line with the, thank you. And it's gonna be a float. Okay, so that's the first thing I'm gonna export. Um Total distance. I don't let's look at world. How big is it? How big is my world? Let's do quick calculation. So we have 3,500, so maybe something like 5,000. Let's say 5,000. Right, seems okay-ish. So total distance 5,000 and start line width is going to be 36. Right, okay. Okay, now we have this. What do we do now? Okay. So, trail. This is Align 2D. So what I'm gonna, okay, concentrate, focus, lock in. Um, Line 2D. Now we think about how we do this. So I have to create, okay. So I have to do function get total distance, and this is gonna be a return float. Thank you. We're gonna pass for now. I have to get just return 0. Cute. Just let me alone. Okay. I'm also gonna need a function to um get um distance from last point. This is gonna be toast position, and it's gonna be a vector 2. I should, oh, okay. I will have to make sure I pass the global position and say I will compare it with the global position here too. So I return a float. So return 0, as again. Also function create a new segment. We're gonna call them segment. And we get, okay, so we get post position vector 2 and return void. Okay. I think that's it. We're gonna keep an array of all of them. So array segments. Thank you. Like this. Okay. Segments. Okay. So when I get ready. Okay, so var first a segment line 2D is equal to line 2D dot new. Okay. Now so I create trail. Okay, I'm gonna do also func set. Oh god, okay, this set initial position init to toast position vector 2 again, return void. So this is gonna set, okay, okay, segment dot append. Ooh, okay, append. What does append do? Appends value at the end of the array, right? That's what we want. Okay. Okay, append, and we append first segment. But also we do add children, a child, first segment. Okay. Now here we go. Segments at position 0 dot, oh god, okay, this points dot, okay, so after we get point we do, what do we do? Add point. Okay, add point, is that it? Okay, add point, and then we do init those position. Oh yeah. Okay. Now, okay. So we set the initial position. Okay. So in order, I think we do this. Okay. Yes. Okay. All segments are gonna have 2 points basically. One is gonna be at the start of the end of the one before, and the other one is gonna be the end of the segment. Okay. Get distance from last point is gonna be segments at -1, so we get the last one. We have the distance between the two. So toast, I global position, thank you. So segments -1, so the last one that points at, okay, and then same thing, that's the last one. Okay. So, okay, so this is the, oh. Ooh, okay. This is a tough one. No, so position is going to be okay too. Because, oh, but okay, just, oh, this is ugly, but we'll let it pass for now. So, last point Now we want the distance between that point and toast position. So return this minus toast position, basically. Oh, can I do that? Yeah, I can. I'm pretty sure I can. And then, okay, so this gives me, okay, but this is not, okay, so then I do, gives me a vector to do, so I do length, right? Uh, so can I get position? Length. Why? Yeah, length. Length. Yeah. Okay. I have to make sure I write it the right way. Okay. This is good. Get total distance. Okay. Create new segment. So this is a good one. Okay. Create new segments. And instead of taking care of all of this in World GD, updating this, I could, when I create when I create trail, I pass the toast it's binded to, and then it can just do it by itself. So we'll look into that later. But I think I will be able to remove that from world.gd. So creating a new segment. So we var new segment. It's going to be a line 2D. And it's line 2D. Line 2D that new. Okay. Create new line. So var, no. So new segment dot add point, and then we do segments, last one dot points at that last one too. Okay, so the start of the other one. Okay, and then I do new segment dot add point, and this is toast position. Okay, and then I do segments that append new segment, and then I do add child new segment. Also new segment that what is it? Default color is equal to trail color. Thank you. This one too. First segment that the default color is equal to trail color. Okay. Now, okay. Okay. Get total distance. Wait, so let's start by trying to make it work like as it was before, right? Let's start with that. Let's not be too ambitious. Get total distance, we don't need that yet. Process, we don't need that yet. So wait, if I started just like that. Okay, yeah, let's remove the trail. Oh, wait, capping. Round, okay. Okay, let's do a new function. Set a rounded corners. Set the default params. Set segment default params. And this takes nothing. No, it takes a segment, and it's a line 2D. Okay, and it returns absolutely nothing. Okay, segment dot default color is equal to, what is it? Trail color. And then we can do segment dot joint mode. Joint round. Segment dot begin cap mode. It's rounded again, and also segment dot end cap mode is equal to rounded too. Okay. So a new segment, and then here, first segment. Okay, and if we try this again, okay. Did we have anything else modified here? No. Right. Okay. Delete trail. Okay, so if I start this, nothing is there. Right. That's normal. Okay. Now, if we go in world, so create trail, new trail, trail scene, instantiate. So new trail, add point, start point, trail home, add shell, new trail. Okay, create trail, start point. Okay, right, okay. So here we do new trail dot create new, no, that's not it. Wait, what is it? I'm lost in my own thing. Okay. First segments. Okay, set initial position. And then we give it start point. Okay. Update trails. All toast, all trails. Okay. For I in all toast size. If all toast level position. Yeah, okay. That we don't care about that. So all toast I. Okay, length. Okay, so if all toast I that position minus no. Okay, so this we can get rid of this like that. If all trails at I dot what is it? Get distance from last point. Here we go. And then okay. And then we do all trails I dot okay. Create new segment. And we add position. Will this work? Do you guys think it will work? I'm confident. Okay. Right, okay. Let's do this in it. Let's try this again. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh, yeah. Okay, so got what the hell? Okay. So I'm pretty sure I got it right. Right. Okay. We got trail working as it was before. Congrats. And it doesn't seem to be lagging. Right? I have like 4,000 line 2D in there. And it's working well. So let's stop this. So that's good. Um Now with the distance. Um Okay, so bar total distance is equal, no, it's in load, and it's equal to 0. So yeah, let's do okay. 4 um hmm, for segment in segments, right? How do we do for how? I don't remember how. I'm mixing for I in, yeah. Can't I do like objects in a book for for I in, yeah, in range for yeah, main menu, yeah, no, leave game leaderboard for top score in leaders, right? I can. Why not? Let me do it. Okay, yeah, yeah, I can. So total distance uh, plus equals the so it's basically segment dot. So let's look at this guy's thing with curve, add point clear, okay, get point count, remove points, set point position for segments. In segments would, yeah, no, I was just wondering because for a second in there it said that I couldn't do like the in segments wasn't working, so I was like, wait, how is this not how we do for loops in Godot? But yeah, which it just took some time before it like said to me, oh no, there's not an error there. So we'll just do points. Yeah, I mean, it's not that it's cranky. It just takes like a few seconds between before it's like, oh no, actually, there's no errors. So segment that points at 0, and then we do point length again, and then after that we return total distance. Now, when we add a new segment, create new segment. So how do we calculate the width of... Yeah, right. Okay. We do... God, what is it? In reverse slurp? Is that what we do? Yeah. Yeah, we do reverse slurp. So function get a segment width. And then what we take in input is... Do we take input? Do we take input? Do we take input? No, we don't. Okay. Return void. Okay, so what I do is... No, this is float. Sorry. Okay. So I do inverse slurp, right? From to and then wait. What is inverse slurp? I have to remember. Okay. 20, 30, and then the thing between them. So 0 to total distance. And then I give get total distance, right? And then I just return that. No, but then no, that's not it. Because this gives me from 0 to 1 of like the... Okay. Yes. Okay. This gives me 0 to 1 like... No, it's more than 1 actually. Da, da. Ba, 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 ba. I have to do lerp after that, and I return this lerp. Lerp from... Okay, so it's gonna give me 1. Okay, so the first one is start line width, and then the other is 0, and this is the value here. So var with proportion, and this is supposed to be a float, and like this. I think this will work. Or not. Oh, yes it does. Okay. And okay, get segment width. Okay, so then I do segments dot what is it? No, it's new segment dot can I get width is equal to get segment width, right? So how about we try that? Okay, let's see moment of cannot convert argument to from int to float. Okay, start line width is a float, and this guy's a float. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. For now, it's all the same width. Oh, I think it's working. I think it's working. I'm a genius. Whoa. Okay, next time we'll just throw it at maximum force to see if it actually works. Oh, I have to fix that. Okay, it gets thinner and thinner and thinner. And thinner and thinner. Can I get to 0? 5,000 is a lot. Okay, let's try this again. What's up, Max Sully? How are you doing? Welcome to something. Welcome to something where we. Oh yeah, it worked. See, the trail disappeared, but I. Is it supposed to disappear that way? Anyway, welcome to Tang, where we do a weird game where we put where it's curling but with a toast. So yeah, that's what we're doing. um, get segment with. Let's print just for debug. New segment. Right, it will never be 0. Yeah. Sorry. Well, welcome, Maxwell. I do. I'm a TV. My name is Renrak. I do for now for a bit. I've been doing game development for this game econ class, but I also do other stuff. I love Ruby. Yeah. So yeah, right now we're trying to work on our butter trail mechanics. Please, actually, please tell me about you. Who are you? What did you do? What made you come here? Did you see something interesting? Oh my god! Oh my god! Thank you so much for the raid. Hold on, let me shout you out. 2 seconds. Oh my god! 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 Um, welcome raiders. I'm Venerak. I'm a TV and I do stuff. Where is the fucking thing where I shout out you? Yeah. Then Koran Coffee Crow. Is that it? User. Ah. Okay, let me do it in the chat. It's gonna be easier. Shout out Koran Coffee Crow. God, what's happening? It says you don't exist. Do you exist, Karan? Do you exist? This is a question. Do you exist? Twitch believes you don't exist or that I don't know how to type. There we go. You exist. I can confirm you exist. So so welcome to my stream. Yeah, like I said, I'm a TV guy. I'm around the Kelong zone. Yeah, that I'm also in Jake Creates Stuff zone. So I'm a guy who made if you're familiar with Kelong zone, I made the bot. That's my main gizmo, right? Across green zone. But also I do Godot. So everything you see on screen besides chat and music, this is made in Godot. So I can control. This is cool because I can control myself. I can move myself around. I can make myself be a rainbow guy. And I can, I don't know, be red and stuff. All right. Uh, mm, so that this is me, and we were working on my game, which is a game where you are playing as you're playing fucking curling. You're playing curling, but there's a toast, right? Yeah. Also, if you say Joel, there's a fish that's gonna bounce around behind me. Thank you for admiration for what I didn't go that. Thank you. So yeah, curling game. It's a toast. Uh, I'm not the one who decided to put a toast in there. I have to. And right now we were doing a trail that is going narrower and narrower like this. And yeah, that's it. Um, and it's also gonna after I have no butter left, right? It's gonna slow the toast down. It's gonna be a new mechanic. Maybe I should yeah, no. Maybe 5,000 is too much. Okay, let's start with that. Trail total distance maybe 4,500 is more good. So I'm making this for a so I'm a student. I'm not I'm a student in the equivalent of computer science. So you can say I'm studying computer science, and I have this game making class at this moment. Um, and in this class we have to make you can guess it, a game. And so this is the game I'm making basically. So the teacher has some basic criteria like for a game on which we will be evaluated. So we have to have a player, enemies, a leaderboard, a score, many things. And yeah, so apart from that, we're pretty much free from doing what we want. But this time around, he said to us, "We're gonna do it like it's a game jam." So we all have the same team around which we're gonna build a game around. And so everyone had to suggest a team for the game jam, right? And some dumbass, I would say, put Toast in there. Everyone put like great teams, but someone put Toast, and it had to be the team that was chosen by random. So I have to do curling game. No. I have to do a game with Toast in it, and I decided that doing a curling game where it's a toast that slides on butter instead of ice is going to be fun. And it is fun. So that's what I'm making this for. So what was I doing? Right, we were doing distance stuff. Um okay. Thank you for the follow. Wait, what? Yeah. Thank you for the follow, Max Lois. Um, yeah, definitely go. You had a stream and you must be tired. Go to sleep. I hope you have a good sleep. Oh, no, no, you got to do some stuff. You're right. You're not going to sleep. Sorry, I didn't read the whole message. Um, I will have fun. But yeah, thank you for the raid again, and thank you for yeah, thank you. We'll see each other again, definitely. Um, so now that we have this, we can say that um, what can we do? Maybe we can move the process of updating the trail from world GD to yeah, from world GD to trail GD. So okay, so what I would have to do is trail. Okay, trail. Um, var toast basically. Does toast have a class name? Stand signal? No. Okay. So toast, right? It has a very real toast. Uh, world. When I create a new trail, so new trail dot toast is equal to get create toast global toast. Okay, a new toast set team global vars number toast create trail global vars current toast is equal to new toast. Okay, so it's current toast. Okay, so if we do that instead, and here we do global vars dot current toast. Okay, so I'm gonna pass the yes, 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 yes. Okay. So now I did trail item has a toast. Right. Okay. Now, ooh, okay, that I didn't account for that. Target global position. Okay, I see. How? Okay. Firstly, let's create this. All toast. Right. So we have a toast in there, and then okay, it's just trail in process. So if um okay, let's just take this, move it to world. Okay. So if get distance from last point is superior to 5, we create a new segment with toast dot position. Okay, and here it's toast to. Okay. Now, if we stop updating trails, right? What if we stop updating trails? Okay. Let's try this. Okay, it's getting narrower. That's what we want. Okay, and it gets to a 0 states after some time. Oh, okay, it does some overlap here. That's gonna be what it is. Okay. Now, if I do a second toast, does it still work? Question is there. It seems to be working still. Okay. But now, yeah, so the problem now is that if I play and I don't draw it too far, like actually play, right? So I play, I throw the toast to a region where it's not gonna delete or go away. In this case, go away when the game is finished. I mean, the round is finished. Let's call it that. So, no, actually, that's not what I wanted to try. Okay, let's try this then. Okay, the concept that I came up with for toast is you are a piece of wet bread that is trying to toast itself using various household objects. But they will only get you up to a certain percent, and the level is filled with hazards, germs, and water. So you're wet. So basically, okay. So okay. So you're wet, right? Let me get this straight. You're wet. You're a toast. You're in a kitchen, and you're trying to to toast yourself. And objects can only toast you to a certain point, and there's enemy that are germs and water. I I guess, but like what I could just get into a toaster and then I'm gonna be toasted. So maybe the concept could be what could you I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, but it's, so yeah, your concept is good, but what if the house has a toaster? Like you have toast, but you want to get toasted, but you don't have a toaster. It's And also, why, if you're bread, if you were bread, would you want to be toasted or would you want to be wet? You are a wet piece of bread, right? This I think a toaster is like the golden snake. Otherwise, you have to improvise. Yeah, I guess you can do like the toast on. What can you do toast on? Oh, maybe you can toast in like if you have the like a waffle maker, you can put your toast in there, I guess. Maybe just a pan with some butter. There's different ways. Maybe like a torch. So yeah, it's we could say it's an interesting idea. You can try to create the game yourself. Good luck. Yeah, it's difficult to explain. I get you. I get you. And like the teacher was like, so basically, if you try to do 3D or multiplayer, you're by yourself. Just I won't help you. If you do 2D, I'll help you, but good luck if you do anything else. Oh, that's cool. Your own engine in C++. That's really cool. What kind of game are you trying to do? I'm curious. Curious. So I have to get this. Target. I have to get target from. I have to get the target from a child with trails. Give me all that. Okay, target is there. Trails. Target. I see. Uh, mm, 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 mm. So the target is there. A trail is a child of trails. Um, so how do we get target position? Get parent, get node, I guess. I don't see anything else. Um, maybe I could put a script on trails. Not even world. Starting games from scratch in Visual Studio. No access to any engine. Always found it too tedious. Yeah, I know there's something like Monogame. Is that what you were using? Are you using something like Monogame or like some kind of helper in what you're doing? Or is it all done by hand? Like doing it by hand is really hard. Like getting like viewport sizes. I don't know. I don't know if it's hard. Okay, let's try trail. Okay. No, C++. What is SFML? Let's look it up online. What is that? But yeah, it's really cool. You're better than me. That's for sure. Simple and fast multimedia libraries. Okay, so it's kind of okay. So it helps you interact with the computer or something like that. That's graphics and networking. That's cool. You are genius. We could say that. You are good. I can. If I wanted to do that, it would take like 2 years. I don't know, an eternity. Okay. So unready. Var target. Function. It's if you compare what you're doing to Godot, Godot is so simple. Like it's crazy. Okay, so target is equal. It's a wait. No, target. Okay. Target is a sprite 2D. Target equals to parent get parent get node and its target. Okay, and here when we Okay, process. Okay. If and then what's the thing? So if can you tell me if the stream is blocky? Like can you follow? Is it does it like block or because on my side it says um unstable and I keep like losing the return from my stream. So I'm curious as to if it's blocky for you. Okay. I mean, if it's good on your end, it's yeah, definitely. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for following Maxley, and I hope I will see you again. Yeah. Thank you for interacting. Interact. Okay. Um, toast that global position, and this is target. Thank you. Later. Later. But yeah, if the stream is okay on your guys' side, I'm happy. There we go. So if we try this, ooh, wah, 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 wah. How do we use get node? Get node, notepad, which is node. Okay, maybe it's not. Yeah, it is target. Does it is it case sensitive? Is case sensitive? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, let's try it again because I didn't play right. Okay. So let's try doing this and seeing if it like goes out of screen and we see the trail. Okay. There it is. It's working. And right. Okay, it's working. Me happy. So now this means that update trails does nothing. We once again removed something from here. That's pretty cool. Um okay, now we have a trail that once it just like gets narrower and disappears the further you go basically. So okay, so that's what we have now. um Now since we have the toast reference here, um we can do some acceleration stuff, right? Toast. Okay, toast. Physics process, get team, unbuddy shit entered. Um, um, acceleration, right? Linear velocity times equal acceleration. Okay. Acceleration. Okay. So pretty much, wait, let's look at the pads script to see how I did this. So slow pad, which it's basically it. So I just do acceleration times equal Right. Okay. Um, trail. So I don't even need signals because I have the toast reference here. So once the segment width is equal to 0, okay. So I have to do a process here. So if um uh get segment width is equal to 0, I have to slow it down. So slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Toast dot acceleration times equal 0.4. Okay. But I don't want it to do each process. So once it's done, so var slowed down. It's a bool and it's false. And that's going to be pretty simple because, okay. If segment width is equal to 0 and slowed down is equal to false, here we go. And then we do slowed down is equal to true. There we go. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this song. Woo! Did it go? Did it slow down? Okay, I have an idea. It's gonna stop right there. Okay. Okay. We're gonna get it. Okay. Oh my god. It went through the wall. It went through the wall. Unprecedented. Never happened. I mean, the boost pads are too much, I guess. Is it? Yeah, it reached 0, but it didn't. It didn't. It didn't. It just didn't. What happened? Toast acceleration? Is it not acceleration? Yes, it is. Okay, slow pad, buddy. Acceleration. Toast, yeah. Toast acceleration. 0. Okay. Let's print. Okay, let's stop printing this. Oh. Yeah, no, let's not stop. Oh, there was something like near 0. Is approx 0 approx? Is 0 approx? Okay, let's try this. is 0. Wait, so how does it work? Okay, okay. Is 0 approx? Okay, and then like that. Okay, let's try this again. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I don't know if it. Okay, let's just break it. Break when it hits 0. Let's try this again, again, and again, and again. Okay, I see. So get segment width. Should return 0. Uh, hmm. And slow down. And it didn't. I'm confused, guys. I don't know. Okay, print get segment width. Thank you. Let's remove this one and just start there. 36, right? Okay. Now we throw. Okay. 4, 2, 1, 0. Aha. It goes to minus. So here it's if get segment width is under 0.0. What if we try this? Okay. So now I knew it. There was something wrong. It There we go. And now if we continue, it stopped. Right. Nice. Okay. We got there. So let's stop it breaking there. This, and let's try 0.4, like we said before. Okay, we skip, and then throw it. Okay, maybe even more than that. 0.2. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Ooh, that's a big. Bleh. Maybe I could, instead of doing this, wait, toast dot, okay, friction is already the max. Do you think adding mass to it? Yeah, adding mass. Okay, let's try this. Let's see. Okay, toast dot mass is equal to 1. Maybe we can do both, right? Maybe we can slow it down real fast and then okay. Let's try both at the same time. So now it will slow down real fast and it will accelerate its deceleration. Okay. So it's because this is less interesting as it is right now. Because it just bam, slows down instantly. But I would like so it's more like to be it for it to be more smooth, right? So instead of doing that, let's look at the toast code. Move and collide, right? Linear velocity times okay. Maybe acceleration is at 1. Okay. Bar, no more butter. Okay, no more butter. It's a bool. I just thought of another idea. Maybe when you take butter, like the consumable, it also makes your distance you have longer, right? So I will look into that after doing that. So if no more butter, linear velocity. Wait, linear damp? That's it. It said 0.1. Wait, okay. Let me cook. Let me cook. Instead of adding mass, you do toast that linear damp is equal to so is 0.3 or 5. And then we remove this one. Yeah, let's try this. Go max power. Oh god. Yes. Okay, that's what I want. Okay, okay, we got there. We got there. Um so I needed to make the linear damp higher. Um okay. Toast. I didn't change anything else, I think. Okay, trail. Linear damp 0.5. Um, hmm. So, if I change, if I change total distance in one trail, is it going to change everywhere since it's export? I guess we'll see. Um, so toast. When it goes, ooh, that's a hard one. When you take butter, you have to make your trail. Ooh, oh God. Ah. Um, signal toast cook butter. All right, and oh God. Okay, so when slow, no, not slow pad. We want boost pad. So, oh God, boost pad buddy dot um where is it? Fuck. Boost pad. Okay. So toast took butter that toast took butter emit self. Yes. Okay. Now trail toast. Okay. Uh, function set trail toast, and you give, what is this? So this is a rigid body. Toast. Oh God. Okay. Toast. It's a what did I say? Rigid body. Okay. And returns nothing. So toast is equal to toast, and then toast dot connect signal. Okay, so signal is toast to butter, and callable. It's funk toast took butter, and then it receives toast rigid body 2D, and it returns void. Like that. Okay. And now when it takes butter, um total distance plus equals okay, so now we have to decide. Okay, export bar distance added by butter. It's a float. Uh, distance added by butter. Okay. Um. Mm, oh, trail. Okay. 500. No. Yeah. 300 seems good. Okay. Does it still work? This is a question. What's this song again? Okay. Good. 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 I like this. Where's the butter? Okay. Okay. I hope I get some. Oh yeah, I took some. Okay, maybe I should have made a print statement here. Print took butter. Where's the butter? Let's hope I get some. Oh yeah. Okay, so it didn't do the thing. Why? So in toast here, boost pad. Yeah, toast took butter. Maybe it doesn't work like that. Hmm. Oh, I know. It's in world. When I create trail, here it's new trail dot set trail toast, and then I give it global vars dot current toast like that. Now it will work. Okay. Oh god, I didn't take any butter. Okay. Now I will try to get some this time. Max power. Okay. Again and again. We test again and again. Okay. It seems like I didn't work again. Trail. Set trail toast connect toast took butter to toast took butter. I am confused. That's my state right now. Um. Hmm. Okay. If we try, okay. Funk send toast took butter. Return void. Emit self. Okay, and then in boost pad, you do body dot send, what is it? Yes, and okay. Can't I like call functions from here? Is that better? Okay, let's try this again. Aha. Nice. Okay. So it worked. That's cool. And now, I just had an okay. So that's gonna be it for the trails for now, I think. Um, I think that's pretty much good. That's pretty good. So also, I wanted to um right when world uh hmm, game drone physics update game ending exit enter physics update handle inputs. Okay. Input if input that is action just pressed. Um, A. If action just pressed A, um, engine timescale. No. If action pressed A, engine timescale is equal to 1.5, I guess. Would be 2.0. Else is equal to 1.0. So try this. Okay, so we're gonna throw it. Aha, okay. Then input physics update game direction. Aha, there we go. Now I'm curious if I and then today, okay. World. So what's happening right now is when I open the pause scene, right? When I press escape, it it's supposed um it's supposed to put the time scale to 0. So, okay, let's look at how to pause game and go that. Pause game in process mode. It's even more easier. Okay. Okay, so just get tree paused true. Seems pretty simple. Okay. Physics process if then false. On restart button up, false. On menu button, false. Okay, and then world. Times engine timescale. Yeah. Uh, pause. Okay. Seems like that's it. Okay, and it actually pauses now. Um. Wait. So here, result. No, pause. I want pause. Start menu. Yeah. Physics if input pause. Right. It's supposed to work, but it doesn't work when I want to quit. It's weird. It's like I can't do anything. I can't press it. Okay. Go to process mode. Pause true. Hide get tree pause. Okay. So like what the hell? So like what the sigma? Oh god, I said that. Oh, my head. I just went down 40 IQ right there. Okay, okay, I grab focus, get I pause. Physics process. But I can't press. Like, yes, I can get into it. I can move after that, but it doesn't let me press the buttons. Process, inherit, always. Process, always. Process, always. Process, always. And here, process, always. If I do that, aha. Ooh, okay. Okay. Okay, now, okay. I'm saying okay a lot. Boom, 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 boom. Good. So now we have this accelerate time button. Wait, so let me go back here and we can actually move this. Boom. Okay, make an enemy. Make multiple levels, transition between scenes, fancy lights, create sprite for end game result screen, add sound effect. Okay, so how far are we into the stream? I think, oh, 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 oh. So what could we work? I want to work a bit on the Joelbot maybe later. I don't have any energy to work on core ULA's online stuff. Hmm. So what do we do? What do we do with Drunken Sailor? What do we do with Drunken Sailor? Okay. Physics process. Da 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 da. Okay. Now I should make I have to do an enemy. Create enemy in the game. Huh. Okay, I have decided I will work on the Joelbot. And we'll work on the Joelbot and after that we'll decide what we do. Right? Does it seem like a deal? To me it seems like a deal. So cut server. But before all of this, before doing any of this, pause is needed. I'm sorry, people. Pause is needed. Um, so be right back. No, wait, zoom. And be right back in, I don't know, 2, 3 minutes. Okay. We are back. I am back, actually. I don't know if you guys are back, but I'm back, pretty much. Okay. So this is what I cooked up for the Joelbot yesterday, right? Those are um SQL requests to get some information. So for the like from a user, and it's gonna be called Joel Stats. The commands is gonna be called Joel Stats. So um okay, move away. Okay. So where do I store my this is body? On the sideline. Okay, this is stuff. Start WebSocket. Create DB. Oh my god. Oh, that's not secure. Okay, whatever. Okay. Update track channel, get live channels. Okay. Refresh Twix access. Okay. Now treat commands. Right, I put some things. Okay, yeah. I took note that when I before I so yeah, I took note that before um yeah, words receive data words. So when I do treat commands words message, oh yeah, okay, that's it. So what so you can actually do like the problem is you can do something like a Joel count and do spaces after that, like that. Uh, wait. Am I done? Wait. Tweet command. Word received a. How did it happen yesterday? Oh, is it something like Joel, Joel count space, and then I don't know. No, it worked. Okay. Curious. But still, we should do message. Okay. Okay. Before doing anything, Ruby string doc. Thank you. What trim? No trim. Okay. Concat delete prefix delete down case. Get G sub include inspect length line strip. Uh, without with leading white space removed. Yeah, that's not what I want. I want like strip, but then the other way around. Unpack. Swap case sub strip. Squeeze. Squeeze returns like appears. Wait, squeeze. Okay. No. Split squeeze start with strip. But strip isn't like That's not what I want. Okay, leading and trailing white space removed. Okay, let's try that. That's strip. Uh, just strip like that. I guess it's like that. So message that strip that split. Yeah, okay. That's good. So then I took note and also yeah, just Joel stats. Okay. So that's taken care of. Okay. Joel account stream. Joel. Okay. 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 When uh Joel stat. Okay. Okay, so it should be like a Joel account. Okay, if we're one. Okay, if username count. Okay, I'm confused. Um. Okay. Wait. Chatter name. Chatter ID. But broadcast name. Chatter name. Yeah. Right. Okay. Okay. The sheer probability that you are gone, that I exist, and we can even question this. Okay, so if this you're this for me, baby. Else, yeah, okay. Now, okay. Yes. Okay, let's put this on the other side and close this so we have space. Okay. So, first, select, okay. Total joules. The push on true. That is a by. Okay, user. Wait, okay, select that count. Users where. Oh god, okay, is stick together. Party. So, how do I verify if a user exists? So, it's something like this. So, if this users were name equal, okay. this and then else and okay. Send Twitch message. Okay, here we do the queries. So the channel name, okay, channel name. So basic stats is equal to SQL.query this monster. Okay. Monster. This is a monster. We do one-liners here. Okay. And then we do first. First. Okay, users creation date as first. Okay. Then we do this. Okay, so the second query is to get most Joel in stream. Yeah. So most Joel in stream. SQL.query. Okay. We copy this. Put there. This is a chunky guy. We do chunky guys. Oh my god, the number of joins on this one. Oh, right. Okay. User name. Here too, I have to change for interact for username. User name. Dot down case. Down case. First. Okay, and then most Joel streamer. Okay, most Joel streamer. Stats. $SQL dot query. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there someday. Boom, boom, boom. Bam, 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 bam. Some guy today in my class just plain out asked me to copy, just straight up clone my work, like for an assignment, and just give it to the teacher. And I was like, is he really asking that to me? Like the audacity on the guy, audacity, and I I I was so like God, you know, this guy. Anyway, so message username has told time since um most Joel stream. Okay, and then most Joel streamer. Yeah, okay. Something like this. Do you guys think? Oh, wait, is Clonk still alive? Wait, Clonk is. My God, he's a beast. Oh, 7 hours. How can he do it? I just don't get it. It's non-human. I mean, you're gonna tell me he's letters, but still, it's not human. Okay. I wanted to test this. I guess I won't. Hmm. Okay. So, okay. Joel stats. Okay, this is a. Oh God. Oh God, that goes far, right? Oh yeah, right. Fuck. Consumer ID, Joel, user ID, stream. Or Finrack. Here it is. User name dot downcase. Wait, so if we go terminal. Thank you. Wait. So let me. There we go. So you can actually see what's going on. So if we go create new SSH into this guy, we cd server and then we do Joelbot db sudo mysql. And then I go source. I do test request .sql. Oh, this is not right. Okay, so okay. So this right here should give me only Prozipod, right? That's what I want. But now it's giving me all of them. This is Andalous Panamerican. Most suave ici tous. Okay, so terminal and then server. Okay. Terminal over it. Okay. So right now, okay, for a username and okay, some Okay. Oh, I know. Where group by order by count distance. Okay, and if I do that and I retry, ooh, epic fail. You have errors. Check manual that corresponds. Okay. Order by count. Okay. Is it after group by? There we go. Okay. Now it will work because I'm doing first, and first one is this one. Okay. Now I'm sure it will work. This is a big message. Okay. So this is all good. Okay. Treat commands. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay. What do we do? Je venu d'ici. Je fusil. C'est que ton cœur de pêcher, de fâcher dans le cœur. Comme les côtes mexicaines de Malinche. De Malinche. So, maybe we can fix real quick this guy. Like this. Like that. Like this, like that. I gotta get 100 to test if. There we go. Okay, still 2 columns. Okay. Why is it making 2 lines? There we go. Okay, maybe even on the trail script, I go even more on the linear damp. Maybe something like 7. So yeah, put in. Okay, I need to play the music that I just sang. God. Hmm. Where is it? Like this. Add to queue. Thank you. Skip. Like this. Like that. Like this. Like that. Like this. Like that. Like this, like that. Feels so good, good. Enemies. What could we make as enemies on a curling game? A curling game with a toast, right? A curling game with a toast. I need to make enemies. At all. At all. I don't like it. At all. At all. I don't like it. At all. At all. Yeah. Uh, okay. Enemies. An enemy. It can be an enemy or an equivalent of enemy. So something that hinders my progress through the game, right? Um. Oh god, it's really happening. Oh my god. Welcome Raiders. What's happening? Oh my god, I wasn't prepared for this. Welcome to the channel with the guy that's a TV. Well, thank thank you for the follow. Um, this is crazy. Yeah. Hello everyone. I'm the TV guy. I'm making right now. It's basically a curling game, but with a toast. Oh my god. So many people. I can't follow. Too many. You bring too much clout, Clonk. Too much people. I'm overwhelmed. Yeah. I for some time I've been working on this game, but I also do other stuff. You may know me as the guy who made the Joelbot. I'm the guy behind the Joelbot. Yes. Thank you for a link, Exorg TV. I am Godot based. Yes, Ricardo. So everything you see besides the chat and the song thing at the top of the screen is basically um in Godot. So the Joels jumping around in the back are in Godot. The let's call it a banner at the bottom of the screen is in Godot. Myself, I'm in Godot, and we're working in Godot at the same time. We are Godot oriented over here. But yeah, Clonk. I wasn't there for long. So did you end up learning about the story of Mesopotamia, or did you code? I'm curious. Did you were you productive today? I'm I'm curious. But yeah, I was working. I was about to. I was at the point where I don't know what to do for the rest of the stream because since the start, I've really Mesopotamian Cune farm. I what? You speak in a language I don't understand, niche penguin. So yeah, since the start, I changed my butter trail system so that it gets smaller the further you go from the toaster. Bobsleigh? Not really. A wrong sport, I would say. So the clay tablets. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So wait, did Babylonian? So I'm not really I don't have much knowledge on Babylonians. Is it like the antiquity, like at the same time as Greece, like ancient Greece, or when was when when did Mesopotamia happened? Curling, perhaps? Yes, indeed, curling. Sumerian Unicode is now okay, I see. Oh, right. That's what I saw. Like I was in my terminal with where I see the output for from Joelbot, and I saw like strange hieroglyphs or something, and I was like, "What the hell is that?" So it was indeed Mesopotamian Unicode or something. Very special. So since everyone is here and stuff is happening, let I we just before you came, I was working on a new command for the Joelbot, right? The since I saw someone, why is there no Joel stats? Now there's gonna be Joel stats, so I'm gonna now restart the bot, and we're gonna see if it works or if it crashes live. We're gonna test live. So we're gonna start this again. Um, there we go. Okay. Test in prod. Yeah, exactly. We test in prod here. That's a classic. Okay, so Joel stats. Oh, got it. It worked first time. Oh. So wait, no, it didn't work. Okay, it's a. Why is it a float? Whatever, it's a float. Why not? Most Joels in a stream 9 on ProdzyPod. Oh, okay. This is not right. Hello, ProdzyPod. Welcome. We were joling, indeed. Joel stats doesn't seem to be working well. Just fun fact: if you say multiple time Joel in the same message, the Joel that is gonna spawn in the water is gonna be bigger, and it goes up to 100, I think. What do you mean Jake is living? They were counted. I just restarted it. Oh god. Yeah, you see? Big Joel. Yeah. Huge Joel, we could say even. Big waves. We need big waves here. Big fish. Um that's a big fish, yeah. So it says my most Joel streamer is Clunk with 9. But it doesn't really make sense. So because look, it should say so the number of Joels he got it right. But this 9 on this date is okay. But then all right, I didn't update this. Okay, we're gonna have to restart again. So it's in here. I did group by channels ID, but I didn't order by count this like descending. Yes, it is WSL, Ricardo. I'm I was on Linux for the first streams, but I had some issues with Godot, like with my graphics card and stuff. So I decided that WSL it works. I mean, I never had problems with it. I the only thing is that chained by Windows, exactly. One day it will be easy to work with. I hope so. Okay, so now Joel's stats will work. Okay, now, okay, I see. There we go. Now it's the thing. So you Joel 31 times since that time, and the other stats are not really accurate. Um, I mean, yeah, most Joel's in a stream is accurate, but most Joel streamer is maybe not accurate because it's been registering since like October. But yeah, Joel stats is here. It's a more global resume of the stats, basically. Let's okay. I'm just gonna send a message to Yippee! Thank you for the follow, Azrael. So yeah, I'm just gonna send Joel. Joel, oh, is it gonna work? Stats? No, it's not gonna work. Anyway, Control C. Oh, yippee! So yeah, ooh, that's a big Joel that's gonna be there. Woohoo! Yes, terminal menu. So I was half in. Oh, wait, can you see it? Yeah. So I was half inspired by yeah in Ruby. I was half inspired by Klonks. Like he's using the equivalent of IRB. So like it's like he's in a console and just typing the name of the functions. Like he has to remember the functions, and I don't have the brain for that. Yes, IRB. IRB. Let me show you. So IRB is it's like live Ruby, so I can declare variables. So uh, this equal to fucking 2, and then all times 2. There we go. So is but he's using Lisp, I think, eLisp. But so I could use that and just like call my functions to do stuff like that, but I just wanted it to be easier. So with this, like I have functions to make me go rainbow pretty easily. Um, Actually, you're familiar with Ruby. That's cool. We like Ruby. I have a class that I'm learning Rails, and when I'm finished with that, I plan on redoing the my website so it's actually good and works. But yeah, also it's pretty cool because I made some test functions so I can test when someone subs, for example. Right? I can send Joel stuff like that. So yeah, I mean console utility kind of thing. Yippee! Thank you for the follow, Ricardo. Oh god. Jake create stuff is offline. Okay. What was I doing before raid? The yippee. Yeah. Yippee! Do you want more yippee? Follower goal? No way. Thank you for the follow, Sema friend. Um, yeah, follower goal 50. Yeah, yippee, indeed. Why is my website blue? Okay, so let's look at the new website. Yeah, I'm a big streamer. I have a cloud. Okay, let's look at website. So why is blue? Oh, Gamer Fuel. That's a great idea. I'm gonna sell Gamer Fuel with a like a big CRT TV on it, and it's gonna be aluminum flavor. I don't know. So, Prod, to answer your question, before the change, um, let's say that the CSS was trash. Basically, that's the reason. And so I read in CSS. Um, yeah, I mean, so it was not like good when you were on a desktop. Like it was working pretty much good when on desktop, but I just went in like this, and it was especially like in you like if I went here, it was really like bugged, and so I just decided to redo it. And also I changed a bit of like how you navigate around said website. The icon here, when you were the two icons here, when you were like on mobile, they would just shrink down. And yeah, there was like a nav bar here. It was pretty ugly, and basically also it was like all gray, and now it has colors. It's cool, and yeah, that's why it's now blue. um. So yeah, that's great. Since a lot of people are here, I have some criteria I need to have in my game in order to have a good grade, right? Because this is for a class, right? And I have to make an enemy or an equivalent in my game. So basically, I have to implement um. So I have to implement something or like an entity that God shit. How yes, finally go that. I have to implement an entity that uh hinders my progress through the game, but it's a curling game. So how much so I already have the jam like that slows you down, and when you run out of water you it slows you down too. But now I have to make an enemy or something like that of the same nature. So I just thought of making maybe just a wall that tries to block the player, but I mean it would basically just be there to be annoying. But maybe there's an idea we could get that is not annoying, right? An enemy that is not annoying. Like it doesn't have to bring a lot of like uh, difficulty to the game. Just so there's technically an enemy. That's what I want. But yeah, anything other than a wall, I just don't have an idea. The further it gets from the toaster, the more friction it increase. So yeah, but like, can it be considered? Yeah, it's not exactly an enemy, but I still I have something similar. So right now, when I play and like I throw my toes at full power, right? It the trail of butter gets smaller and smaller, and when it reaches like no butter, it just slows down, like just like that. You saw it just slow down really fast. So that's maybe like the equivalent of what you said. But yeah, it's I don't think I can consider that an enemy. Yeah. Oh, mold. Yeah, okay. So mold. So if you get molded, what happens? So is it like if you get completely molded, you lose the toast? Or is it like the more you get molded, the slower you get? Right? So yes, this is a good idea. Mold is a good idea. But mm, because I already like have two components of the game that makes the toast slow down, right? So maybe just doing another thing like that wouldn't be like fun or different. But we can make it so it's yeah, so it just the toast dies. Wait, okay. I had an idea. I have an idea, but I don't know about the amount of work it would I would have to put in. So my idea is there's patches of mold, right? And when uh, welcome to different place, Atticus of Sparta. You are indeed in another place. We're making game and not talking about Mesopotamia. Welcome. But yeah, so my idea is the when you get fully molded, right? Yeah, you would the raid, right? Clonk raided me. Thank you again, Clonk, for the raid. Um so yeah, when you get fully molded, what would happen is the toast would break apart. You would lose the toast, so get a penalty, and the toast would like break apart, and hmm, yeah, it would basically just break apart, and so there would be like debris. What the fuck is debris in English? Crumb? Oh, it's just the same thing. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's debris still. Okay. C'est la même chose, effectivement. So yeah, so it would just fall apart and it would leave a bunch of debris on the field and it would hinder the movement of other toasts. So I guess I have, if I do that, right? If I pursue this idea, I guess I have two-way of making the crumbs, if you will. So one way is I use the GPU particles, right? Because I think GPU particles can have physics collisions. Like there's collisions on the uh on the particles. I am pretty sure spawn, turbulence, collisions, rigid, friction, bounce. But I'm not sure if there's really physics because look, there's gonna be particles flying out uh when I will hit the wall. But you will see that they go through the wall like that, right? You see? The particles go outside the wall. So I don't think they really have physics. They must have physics between them, right? But not with the rigid bodies. So I don't think I will be able to use the GPU particles. Um, so the other way, I guess, is uh, I create a new scene called Toast Crumbs or just Crumbs. And it's gonna be the sprite is gonna be like a quarter of a toast, but molded. And when a toast dies from mold, it spawns four crumbs, and this makes itself disappear. And that's it. Yeah. Um. Yeah. That's. I think that's a good idea. So I will try to do that. Yeah. Voice crack. So set team, physics process. Okay. Get team on body shape entered. Okay. So var, um, this is var. This is gonna be mold. It's gonna be. Do we put it on 100 or a float? Question. Int float. Let's just put float. But do we go between 0 and 1 or between 0 and 100? We'll do 0 and 1, I guess. It's going to be easier. But we'll see. So we have a mold variable. Um, process. Physics process. Yeah, okay. So if mold superior or equal to 1, we dye and no, okay. Dye make crumbs. I don't know. Okay, function this make lines after okay. So function die make rums. I don't take anything and I return void. And I queue free. Okay. So mold start at 0. Okay. So for now, let's just make it disappear when it gets into mold. When it gets too much mold. So world 2D. Hmm. So how do we distribute mold on the terrain? Do we make a big blob, big blob, one big blob, or do we make multiple little? So what I think it will work, right? So there will be zones of mold, and the toast when it enters a mold zone, it's gonna take a certain amount of mold. But after that, if it stays for um, a certain time, it's gonna take a certain amount of mold each, like half second or something. So it's gonna be a zone. But I say we do a blob, but it has to vary in size too. How do we make it not be ugly? Okay, so for now, it, hmm. Trail pads. Okay, I'm gonna add grid. Hmm. Okay, gonna add, okay, world. We're gonna add node 2D. We're gonna put it at the same place as all of those. And it's gonna be called mold. Molds. We're gonna attach the grid to this guy. Okay, ready. Okay. Pads toast. Okay, trails. Okay. Mold. Okay. Uh, pads. Uh, copy value, paste value, and then position, copy value, and paste value. Okay. So mold. So we have a grid. Okay, actually, mold, no. It's gonna be lower than that. We're gonna make it lower than the target because we don't want the the toasts to get molded while they're in the right place, right? Da, 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 da. So wait, it's going down, so maybe 2,300. I maybe even further down, 250. Seems good, maybe. No, since it's a zone. Let's put 2,100. 100. Okay. Okay, zone. Zone. Grid. Now I just have to adjust the X, no, Y position, Y grid size. Since it's not the same anymore. So we start there. We unzoom. We calculate the number of pixels. We're doing stuff the wrong way here. 2007, 2748, 2748, 2748. Thank you. Okay. So this creates, okay. Okay. So maybe create four columns and 9 rows. I don't know. Maybe less. Like, I don't know. 40 seems okay. Amount near. It's 0 here. Okay, that's gonna be it. So molds, okay. Now I have to do a mold scene. So, scenes. Create new scene. It's 2D, but the parent is gonna be a sprite 2D, and it's gonna be mold.tscn. Okay, so we got mold. Mold for now, you're gonna have the sprite of icon. Icon.svg, classic. Okay, you're gonna have an area 2D and collision 2D with a shape, obviously. Okay, something like this. So, mold has a script, right? This is code scripts mold.gd. Create. Okay. Mold. What happens? You detect when buddy entered. Buddy entered. Okay. You know my name. Okay, so it detects when it enters, but okay. And okay, I know. We're gonna do buddy exited 2. And we have a we have a timer. And this one has a timer on timer timeout, but also it's going to be each 0.5 second. It's auto start. Thank you for the follow, Zemiel Payne. Yeah. Hey, thank you. Thank you. I'm happy. Happy. Happy, happy, happy. Yeah. My model is I made it myself in Blender. You're gonna say it's a box? Yes, it's a box. Yeah. Anyway. Um and it's inside Godot. And then so I can control what happens. I can move it around, I can change colors, it's very interactable. Can make it me go rainbow and stuff. Pretty cool. Can do that. Hello. But yeah, thank you. We are working on a game. We're making mold for the toast curling game, right? The curling game with toast. Oh, yeah. So we're making mold to mold the toast. It's an enemy. Grr. Angry mold. Not happy. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna var toasts in mold. It's an array. And it's empty. Okay, so what I want to do is okay, when under area 2D body entered, right? Okay, if body dot is is in group the toast. I think toast has a group. Yes, toast. Okay. Mold. If body's in if body's in group toast, um, you toast you append to that guy. Toast and mold. Right? When you leave, same thing. If body that is in group toast to till array functions help me. Okay. Array append any back sign be clear. No. Erase value. Erase? Is that it? Yeah, erase. Okay. Dot erase body. Yeah, okay. Untire. Okay. No, okay. Yes, it does that. Then export var mold applied on enter, and it's load. And also export var mold applied on timeout. Load too. Okay. And yes, this thing, and then body dot mold plus equals mold applied on enter. Thank you. And then on timer timeout, for toast in mold. Toast dot mold plus equals mold applied timeout. Yeah. Okay. Now this is pretty much gonna break the game, I think. We're gonna add a mold to molds. And we're gonna move it. Put it there, and we're gonna make it big as fuck. Do you think it's big enough? I'm not sure. I think that's big enough. Like that. Okay, let's play. Okay, mold doesn't exist in toast. Okay, function add mold amount. It's a float. We return void mold plus equals amount. Yeah. Okay, like that. And then in here, I didn't specify the thing. So let's say it's 20 on enter. And then this is, it's 10 on timer. Let's say that's it. Oh, right. I didn't. Okay. Toast that. Uh, what is it? Toast, add mold. And then it's mold applied on timeout. Okay. Will this work? Why? Including non-existent add call in base array. Huh? What is print toast, I guess? And can you, okay. Okay, output. What the hell? Okay, what happened? Okay. Can we print toast in mold? What the hell? So why is toast in mold a bunch of arrays? Oh, God. Okay, I saw. It's there. That's where it's not working. Okay. Ooh. Oh yeah, okay. Okay. Where okay, mold. Get to mold. Okay, that's toast and mold. This we can remove. Body that add mold. Okay, mold applied on enter, and then we can remove this one. Okay, that's good. Mm, mm, mm. Boom, boom. Chicka, chicka. Boom, boom. Okay, so now it applies when when I'm in the toaster. That's not what I want. Okay. Okay, toast. Mold amount plus equal amount. Okay, now what's the problem? It adds mold even when I'm in the toaster. So, world. Mm, what's in global vars? Do we have the game state? No. Okay, mold, okay, okay, then toast, mold, and var can mold is a bool, and it's equal to false. Da 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 da. Add mold if can mold. 2 points. You can mold. Okay, and then okay, world throne on enter. A global vars that current toes that can mold is equal to true. Okay. Jump up or get down. Jump around, jump around, jump around now. Jump up or get down. Okay, so this seems to work. Now, jump up or get down. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to finish the spawn of the mold, and then yeah, that's it. After it's the end. So export var number of mold. It's an int number of mold zone. Okay, we're gonna remove this one. Okay. Spawn mold. Spawn mold. Void. And pass. Okay. So now it will stop complaining. We don't forget there like that. Okay. Okay, like the legends of Phoenix. Uh, Okay, and then here we do unready var. Ooh. Okay, let's keep it like that for now. Unready var mold home equal to molds. Mold. Oh god. Mold home. Okay. Now we do for if range and number. Okay. Okay, we can copy this again. But this is number of mold. And this is mold home. Okay, so var new mold is equal to, okay, now we need mold scene. Const mold scene act scene reload res to scene mold. Okay, now mold scene instantiate new mold dot size, no scale, is equal to rand f range, and it goes from 0 to like 20, I don't know. Okay. New mold dot position equal to mold home dot get cell center position vector 2 x and y. Mold home dot add child new mold home that enables cells vector 2 x and y, and number of mold minus equals 1. There we go. Ooh. Scale float. Okay. Um. There we go. Way simpler. Oh god. Enable. There we go. Where is it? Where is it? Oh god. Okay. New mold. Where? What the hell is mold? Mold is that, right? Where is it? World. Molds. Iris. Oh god. Okay, it's there. Okay, maybe that's a bit big. That's a bit big. Maybe, just maybe. Say to myself, 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 say to myself. Okay, so it's random. Oh god, it gets really big. Sometimes it's, I don't think it's there. Where is it? It's out of bounds, I think. Or maybe, oh, it's the probability. Yeah, okay, I see. Let's do 50. Maybe 75. You don't always want mold. That's pretty good. Say to myself, 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 say to myself. Yeah, that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it for today because I can't do no more. I don't even know how Kong does 7 or 8 hours straight. It's never happening for me. It's too too much. It's too much. So, yeah, we're gonna conclude here. Conclusion is short here. Um, thank you everyone. Thank you for Klang for the raid. Thank you for everyone who came in, who messaged, who followed. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We're gonna search for someone to raid. Right? Let's look who we can raid. Oh, we got Basie. Basie. Basie seems pretty good. Do we agree on rating Basie? Twitch. Create raid. Basie. Right? Is he going away? Be right back. Making Kappa. Hmm. Maybe we can search for someone else. I don't know. But let's look. I'm pretty sure for Basie, but since he's in, be right back. Thank you to you, Prod. Thank you. Can you tell me while I search what happened on Jake's stream? What did he do? What happened? Did Meteor happen? I don't know. Can you tell me a quick resume? Maybe you can search for someone who does Godai. Hmm. Rare ad experience? Really? Ad experience? I see. I just flashed by there. I just saw him talking about the colors of Millie, but that's it. I didn't see anything else. Wait, maybe you go that somewhere. Ooh, soldering. That's cool. Broadcast engineer. Oh god, it's myself. Da, 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 da. Yeah, we're just gonna raid Basie while he's in Be Right Back. So yeah, again, thank you for everyone who came in. Blah 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 blah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We're gonna raid Basie. If you are still here, say Joel. That seems pretty standard for a raid. Um, yeah. We will see each other next Friday, and yeah, we all love Joel Yellowberry. Who doesn't love Joel? Joel. But yeah, we're gonna raid Basie. He's in Be Right Back. But yeah, that's it. Goodbye.